Hello, students. This is Deepanshu Agrawal. We are back with the session of live assessment. This session is in continuation with the topic-wise live assessment series that we have conducted. Eighth session of the this is the eighth session of the series. So, as you know the format, if you have seen the last few assessment sessions, so you must know the format of this. As you can see, there are six questions on your screen, and to solve these questions, I'll give you around 15 minutes. Mm, I'll give you 2.5 minutes per question because these questions can be a little bit lengthy and calculative. So I'm giving you 30 seconds extra per question. Okay. So this time, instead of 2 minutes, you would be getting 2.5 minutes. Okay. So here you go. At 11:02, we are starting. We will continue till 11:17. Right. Not beyond that. So please take your copy and pen with you and start solving. 15 minutes, six questions. Start with it. Yeah. Nandlal, good evening. Six questions, 15 minutes, students. And after that, answers and the solutions would be provided. Okay. If you are preparing for any competitive exam that involves aptitude, this series is going to be a very beneficial thing for you. You would be regularly getting to solve uh, 5 6 questions, and from the last 2 weeks, compared to the last 2 weeks, we have actually increased the frequency of these sessions. So now we will be having 3 sessions per week for sure. Okay. Yes, Nikhil. Good evening. Sixth question, 15 minutes. Go for it. You should have a pen and a paper with you, and you should not use calculator. I have given you 15 minutes so that you can do the calculation on your own, not with the calculator. Okay? Yeah. Those who have just joined, it's a it's a live assessment session. 15 minutes would be given for these six questions, and at the end of the 15 minutes, you'll be getting the solutions as well the answers as well as the solutions of these six questions. So 3 minutes are already done. 12 more minutes. And students, in case you have any doubts after the session, and in case you want any guidance, or you have any general query, you can join our Telegram group. You can interact with the best teachers of our institute. In fact, you can interact with the best teachers of best trainers of India, Arun Sharma sir and Minakshi Upadhyay ma'am. Right. Let me post the Telegram link to you on the comment. Right. We have our cat group. We also have our placements group. So it may be beneficial for you to join that group. A lot of queries we handle on daily basis, so it may be a booster for you. You can post your doubts also there. Yeah. So two links I have posted, as you can see on the screen. One is for cat group and the other is for placements, the placements group. Rituraj, you have been my student. I'm sure you were. I remember your name. Hmm? Rituraj. Students, 7 minutes gone, 8 minutes remaining. I know, Rituraj. So this is a live assessment session that I'm taking, right? And in this assessment, we have six questions. I'll give you 15 minutes to solve these six questions. And let's see how many you can solve. In fact, if I taught you, you must have already solved these questions. Yeah, these are the questions from our sheet only. 5 more minutes, students. If you have solved the questions and you want me to check your answers, then you can send me on message on comment section. 2 more minutes, students. Last minute, students. All right, students, let's start the discussion. Okay. Yeah. So, question number one, answer is 7 is to 9. Uh, yeah. Question number one, answer is 7 is to 9. Question number two, answer is 143 is to 53. Question number three, answer is 49 is to 221. Question number four, answer is 63. Question number five, answer is 2 by 3. Question number six, answer is 10 liters. So these are the answers. You must have got at least four questions correct. If you have got at least four questions correct, then you can say that then I can say that you are on a right track. Okay. If less than four questions are there correct in this 15 minutes of duration, so I'll say that you're not on on a great track, on a good track. Right. You will need to work hard on your aptitude. Okay, so let's go for the solutions of these questions. So question number one says that two vessels contain spirit and water in the ratio 5 is to 2 and 7 is to 6 respectively. So spirit and water is in 5 is to 2 and spirit and water is in 7 is to 6, right, respectively. Find the ratio in which these mixtures are mixed. Find the ratio in which these mixtures should be mixed to get a new mixture containing spirit and water in ratio 8 is to 5. So we have to find the ratio in which these mixtures need to be mixed to get the final mixture in the ratio 8 is to 5. Right. So this is a question of allegation, and you must be knowing a formula that resultant concentration is given by Am plus Bn divided by m plus n. So this is a basic formula that can be used here. Okay. So let the ratio in which they are mixed be m is to n. Let the ratio in which they are mixed is m is to n. Right. So first of all, we need to change it to concentration. So this would be 5 by 7. This concentration will be 7 by 13. Yes, Rushil, you are very late today. You should be here earlier. Okay. All right. So 5 by 7 and 7 by 13 should be mixed in what ratio to get the uh, the concentration of spirit as 8 by 13, right? This is the ratio formatation, this is the ratio format, and this is the concentration, right, of spirit. If you say if five parts of spirit are there in two parts of water, five parts of spirit is there in two parts of water, then if I want to calculate spirit with the total solution, spirit plus water, so that would be 5 divided by 7. This is what we have done here. Okay, so now we can put it directly into the formula. So 5 by 7 m plus 7 by 13 n divided by 8 by 13 is equal to m by n. Is equal to sorry, I've done some mistake here. Divided by m plus n should be equal to 8 by 30. Correct. Okay, so now you have to solve this correctly and get to the answer of m by n, which will come as 7 is to 9. This will come as 7 is to 9. If you solve correctly, it will come as 7 is to 9 for sure. Correct? Done? I hope this is done. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay. Question number second. The students, to get to know that what is this formula, so you will need to uh, you will need to take a proper lecture of mixtures and alligation, right? Which is not possible as of now. Okay, let me just quickly tell you that it is from the weighted average. Now find the rest of the thing yourself. I have given you a hint that this formula has come out from the weighted average. Okay, so question number one is done. Question number two. Question number two says that vessel A contains 150-liter mixture of milk and water. So vessel A contains 150 liter of mixtures of milk and water in the ratio 3:1. Vessel B contains 200 liters of the mixture of milk and water in the ratio 5:2. Both of them are mixed to get a vessel C. To get a vessel C. So what would be the ratio of milk and water in the vessel C? This is what they have asked. So again, 3:1 would be changed into concentration. 3:1 would be changed into concentration of milk as 3/4. 5:2 would be changed into concentration of milk as 5/7. Correct? 5/7. Okay. Now, what is the ratio in which these two are mixed? These two solutions are mixed. The ratio is 150, 150 is to 200. That is 3/4. So again, we have to apply the same formula. Am plus Bn divided by m plus n, where m and n are the ratio in which both of them are mixed. Both the solutions are mixed. So we just need to do 150 into 3/4 plus 200 into 5/7 divided by 150 plus 200. This is what you have to calculate, right? If you calculate it correctly, so this will come as 143 by 196. This will come as 143 by 196. But this is the concentration of milk, as you can see. 143 divided by 196 is the concentration of milk. We again have to change it back to ratio. So the ratio of milk and water would be 143 is to 196 minus 143, which would be 53. 143 is to 53, right? Because if 143 out of 196 solution is milk, then the remaining would be water. If 196 is the total solution, out of this 143 milk is there. So the rest of the quantity 196 minus 143 should be the water only. All right. Let's go to the third question. Question number third says 4 kg of metal contain 1/5 copper. So this is the concentration given as it is. This this term rest zinc is actually given to confuse you. Rest zinc is given to so that you get confused. Okay. So 4 kg of metal, 4 kg of metal contains 1/6 copper. So copper and zinc are there and 1/5 is the copper. So this is clearly the concentration of copper, not the ratio between copper and zinc. And 5 kg of metal contains, it contains 1 by 6 copper. Okay. So if both of them are mixed, we have to find the ratio of mixtures of two metal. So we have to find the ratio of the mixture of the two metals. So both of them are mixed. In which ratio? In the ratio 4 is to 5. As you can see, 4 kg and 5 kg are actually the quantities in which both the ores are mixed. Right. So again, the formula, resultant equal to AM plus BN divided by M plus N. So we'll write 1 by 5, just a second. 1 by 5 into 4 plus 1 by 6 into 5 divided by 4 plus 5. This is what you have to calculate. If you calculate it correctly, so it should come as 49 divided by 270. 49 divided by 270, which is the ratio, which is the concentration of copper in the resultant mixture. 49 by 270. Now again change it to ratio. I think the first three questions are almost same. In fact, we have done the first three questions in a similar way. Okay. So 49 by 70 can be changed to 49 is to 270 minus 49, 221. So that's our final answer. Okay. All right. Let's go to the next one. Question number 4. It says that how many kilograms of sugar costing 9 rupee per kg must be mixed with 27 kg of the sugar costing 7 rupee per kg, so that there may be a gain of 10% by selling the mixture at 9.24 per kg. So first thing that you need to notice in this is that this is the cost price, this is the cost price. But in the last line, they are talking about the selling price. So this question is of profit and loss first, mixtures and allegation later. Right? So from the last line, as you can see, we have to calculate the cost price of the resulting mixture. Then only we will be able to solve this. Okay. So by using the last line, we first need to calculate the cost price of the mixture. Correct? So if the cost price is CP and there is a profit of 10%, there is a profit of 10% by selling the mixture. So the profit would be 10% of CP. Correct? CP plus 10% of CP should be equal to the selling price. Should be equal to the selling price. Correct? So can I write CP into 1.1? CP plus 10% of CP can be written as CP into 1.1 is equal to 9.24. I hope this is gettable. So from here, CP you will get 9.24 divided by 1.1. Right? If you solve this correctly, you will get 8.4 as the answer. 8.4 rupees per kg as your answer. Okay. So the cost price, final cost price is 8.4. So they have mixed the sugar at 9 rupee per kg and 7 rupee per kg. And they have made the sugar costing 8.4 rupee per kg. Now the allegation starts. Okay. So if we try to apply the allegation in it, so if you don't know the shortcut, if you know the shortcut, then it's very, very good. But if you don't know the shortcut, you can just take the ratio as m is to n and put it into the formula am plus bn divided by m plus n. So a is given as 9, b is given as 7, divided by m plus n. Correct? Okay. So we'll get 8.4 is equal to 9m plus 7n divided by m plus n. Okay. If you solve this correctly, you'll get the value of m by n equal to 7 is to 3. 7 by 3. You'll get the value of m by n as 7 by 3. Correct? I hope this is done. Okay. Now, you need to calculate if 27 kg of sugar costing 7 per kg is there. So how many kg of sugar costing 9 rupee per kg would be there? So this 7 kg, so this 7 by 3 is the ratio between 9 rupee per kg sugar and 7 rupee per kg sugar. Correct? So if it needs to be changed, and if we have 27 kg of the sugar which is costing us 7 rupee per kg, so then how much sugar, how many kgs of sugar would be there costing 9 rupee per kg? So to solve this further, you need to do 7 by 3 is equal to x by 27. So you'll get the final value of x as 63 rupee per kg. Sorry, 63 kg. Okay. This is not a very difficult question, students. But if still you are not able to understand, you can watch. Obviously, you will watch the recording, so you can see the question again. You can see the complete solution once again to understand. Okay, let's move to the next one. So the next one says, yeah, it says a jar full of whiskey contains 40% alcohol. A part of this is replaced by another containing 19% alcohol. So forget about from where this part is coming. The two quantities that we are mixing, the 2% concentration that we are mixing is 19 and 40, 40 and 19. And we are actually getting 26 percent as the final quantity. Correct? So you can apply the formula R equal to AM plus BN divided by M plus N, right? When the ratio in which 40% and 90% alcohol, concentrated alcohol are mixed to get 26% concentrated alcohol, right? So what you can do is you can do 40 into M plus 19 into N divided by M plus N is equal to 26. So if you solve this correctly, you'll get the ratio in which 40% and 19% 90% alcohol are mixed. You'll get the ratio as uh, 7 is to 14, that is 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2. You'll get the value as 1 is to 2. So if one part of 40% concentrated solution is taken, then two parts of 19% concentrated solution is taken. Correct? But both the parts have come out of a jar of whiskey only. Now you have to imagine this, that in the jar of whiskey, we were having one part. We were having one part of 40% concentrated alcohol, right? And two parts. We were having two parts of 19% alcohol, 19% concentrated alcohol. So if I consider this complete, if I consider this complete jar as of three parts, so out of that three, how much quantity of the 40% alcohol is being replaced by this 90%, 19% quantity? So two-thirds of this is being replaced. If the container is totally of 3 liters, so 2 liters of 40% concentrated solution has been taken out, and it is filled with 19% concentrated solution of 2 liter. Correct. So how much part has been replaced? So we'll say 2 by 3. Two-third part has been taken out and replaced with 19% alcohol. Right. Okay. Last one. So the last one says that a sample X, the sample of X liter containing, from a container having 60-liter mixture of milk and water, containing milk and water in the ratio 2:3, is replaced with pure milk. So there was a 60-liter tank which was containing milk and water in the ratio 2:3. 60 liter solution, milk and water was in the ratio 2:3. So if we calculate the actual values of milk and water, so that would be 24 liter and 36 liter. So we have taken out X liters from here. So that X liter also contain 2x by 5 milk and 3x by 5 water. If there is a solution of 60 liter, so suppose out of the 60 liter, the milk and water is in the ratio 2:3. So whatever we take out from that 60 liter will also contain milk and water in 2:3, obviously. Correct. Okay. So uh, 2x by 5 milk is being taken out, and 3x by 5 water is being taken out. Now this X is replaced, this is refilled with pure milk. So we have actually added X liters of pure milk back to the mixture. So plus X, this X would be added in the milk only, such that the container will now have milk and water in equal proportion. So now the net quantity of milk is this, and net quantity of water is this. And now, as the question says, that they both of them are in equal proportion. So you just have to put 24 minus 2x by 5 plus x equal to 36 minus 3x by 5. You calculate the value of x, you'll get the value of x as 10 liters. Simple. Okay. Yeah, Akshay. Yes. So yeah, it will affect your PI preparations. Obviously, it will affect you in PI, as you have asked me. But because this has to be a live assessment session, let me give you the link for our Telegram group, which you can join, and you can ask anything there related to your career, related to anything in quant, or related to anything, any knowledge that you want to take. I think it would be better to use a proper platform. Okay. Acha. Wait, let me send you the link. You are a prince saying you are that I am a BCom first year student. Should I CAT preparation now? Mm, You you can start the CAT preparation from school onwards. It's okay, right? Your question should be that should I join a coaching? Should I join a professional institute for CAT coaching or not? So my answer would be no, because you don't need a coaching. You don't need to prepare yourself, or you don't need to join a coaching in your first year of graduation. Okay, I'll recommend you should join a coaching of any anything that you want to pursue in at least in second year, but not before that. If your graduation is of 3 years, then you should join a coaching at least in second year. And if your graduation is of 4 year, so then you should join the coaching at least in third year, right? You should join any of the coaching. You should uh, try to go for any of the institute for which you want to pursue your career in. So you should try to join an institute in the pre-final year of your graduation, not before that. I will not advise this. And for any kind of such guidance, in fact, you will get uh, you will get a guidance of Arun Sharma sir and Meenakshi Upadhyay ma'am also. So you can join our Telegram group. Link is being posted in the comment section. Okay. All right. So that would be a better platform to discuss all these things. We all interact with our community there. Okay. So that would be all from my side in this session, students. I hope you liked it. Uh, we'll have another session on Tuesday. So from now onwards, it would be a regular practice to have this type of session, and we would be having the session each on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. All right. So till Tuesday, uh, take care. Uh, so that would be all from my side in this session. Goodbye. Thank you.